Happy holidays to everybody out there. This year, my family and I decided to do something a little bit different and a little bit more meaningful than Christmas. I understand that a lot of people do celebrate Christmas and take it very seriously. However, it's kind of lost its meaning and purpose in our lives over the last couple of years. And so what we decided as a family is to do something just with so much more meaning. This year we decided to celebrate Kwanzaa. What I want to do is document a little bit and share it on my channel, which is something a little bit different for me, in hopes to inspire other people to do some research on Kwanzaa and perhaps make that as part of their tradition. This is our first year, and so far it's been amazing. There's been a lot of kind of just learning, fellowship. You know what? How about this? Instead of me doing the talking, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce you to my family, and I'm gonna let them tell you what Kwanzaa means to them and why we decided to do this instead of celebrating whatever other traditions have been in our, I guess, Canadian customs. So, welcome to the first annual Kwanzaa within my family.
If you don't love me, leave me. Told my jeweler one time, freeze me. Put some diamonds where my heart used to be. Racks on racks is all I ever need.
So my question is, why exactly did you decide to do Kwanzaa this year? Rather outside of like the other traditional holidays for this season.
As a family, we chose to do Kwanzaa as we know it is our culture. It is us. We welcome it. We are it. We want to learn more. We want to educate people to understand and know our background, know why we feel, what we say, what we do, what we eat, how we laugh and love music. Why? This is why. This is when we bring each other together and love, unite, and have just amazing conversations and just be as one. Exactly.
And so my question for you is, what exactly does Kwanzaa mean to you?
Well, as my sister mentioned, Kwanzaa is really just representing unity, being together as Black people, understanding what that means to each and one of us and how that can be embodied together.
Kwanzaa, first fruits. Cheers. We love being Black.